Who was the British Prime Minister at the time of the partition of India? Attlee. Question number 2. When was it announced that June 1948 had been determined as the date of withdrawal of British power from India? February 20, 1947. Who was the Secretary of State from India at the time of partition 1947? Lord Listowel. Question number 4. Who was the Viceroy of India from 1943 to 1947? Lord Wavell. Question number 5. When did Lord Mountbatten arrive in Delhi as a new Viceroy of India? March 22, 1947. Question number 6. Who was the Chief of the Viceroy's staff from 1936 to 1947? Lord Esme. Question number 7. When did Jinnah meet Lord Mountbatten first time? April 5, 1947. Question number 8. When did Lord Mountbatten announce the partition plan? June 3, 1947. Question number 9. Which party formed government in NWFP after the 1946 elections? All India Congress. Question number 10. Who was the Chief Minister of NWFP after the election of 1946? Khan Sahib. Question number 11. When was a partition council set up in Center and in Bangladesh and Punjab? June 27, 1947. Number 12. When was the Indian Independence Bill moved in the British Parliament? July 4, 1947. Number 13. When was the Indian Independence Bill passed by the British Parliament and became an act? July 18, 1947. Number 14. When did Mountbatten address the Constituent Assembly of Pakistan? 14 August 1947. 15. What is the exact time of creation of Pakistan? 12 a.m. at the night between 14 and 15 August 1947. Number 16. At what time it was announced on radio that at midnight the state of Pakistan will come into being 1 minute before midnight? Number 17. Who first time announced in English "This is Pakistan" broadcasting services at the time of creation of Pakistan? Mr. Zahoor Azhar. Number 18. Who first time announced in Urdu "This is Pakistan" broadcasting services at the time of creation of Pakistan? Ghulam Mustafa Hamdani. Number 19. When did Egypt announce its recognition of the new state of Pakistan? 16 August 1947. Number 20. When did Pakistan apply for membership of UNO? 16 August 1947. 21. Who were the member of the steering committee of the Partition Council in the center? Chaudhry Muhammad Ali and H.M. Patel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks.